Hello, this is Captain Ron. I have this old Yale. I'm trying to get it open. But there's 1, 2, I get a little click. 3, I get even more of a click and I get a false set. But then everything else is solid. Pin 1 is just free floating in there. So I can't figure out what's going on. I don't have a key for it, but I know the core moves because it just did. This is, yep, that's the wrong key, but if I can get it unlocked, I want to rekey it so I can have a key for it. This lock there, this other Yale, I'm able to get this one open. Pretty similar. I think the one on the right, I think it's a little older. But let me zoom out. Wrong way. I have a key for this one too, and that one unlocks. And I just realized something. This is a 6-pin. I wonder if this is a 6-pin. I was only searching for 5 pins. Okay. But see if anybody had any input on these.